There are many different ways we can look at relations of a point. This first one is just ordered pairs, where your x, then your y. A mapping diagram, this truly just takes those are my x values and those are my y values. A table of values are another way, just to take those ordered pairs and put them in a table. And then I can graph every single one of those ordered pairs. So really truly what we're looking at here is we're looking at 4 different ways you can write the same thing. Well, what's important here? The domain is our set of x's. So our x values are domains. Our set of y values are our range. So domain x, range y. The way I remember it is alphabetically. D comes before R and X comes before Y. So if I was asked what is the domain of the above, so that I could choose any one I want. So domain really truly is just my X values. So my domain would be -3, 3, and 4. I don't repeat a value. My range would be the set of Y values. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Y values. I'm going to put them in order from smallest to largest. And I have -1, 3, and 4. So here's my domain, and there's my range. A function. A function is a relation in which each element of the domain corresponds with exactly one element of the range. So I'm given 2 different problems here. I need to know which is a function and which is not. Notice this first one, each of the x values go to a different y value. I never repeated an x value, therefore this is a function. On the second problem, 6, 4, and 3 all go to a different number, but notice how off of 2 I have 2 numbers that it goes to, so it's not a function. And again, the reason why it's not a function is I have the points 2, -3, and the point 2, +3, and because I repeat that 2, it's not a function. Another way, and a very common way, especially if we can graph something, to determine if something is a function is called the vertical line test. If it passes once, only once, then it's a function. So this first example, when I draw a vertical line, notice it touches twice, therefore it's not a function. The second problem, it touches once. Well, what if I try it here? It touches once. What if I try it here? It touches once. Therefore, that is a function. Last one, if I draw a vertical line through each one of these, it only touches each dot once, therefore we have a function.